21 former employees of Barclays are accusing the bank of sacking them wrongfully and closing the regional office in Nairobi without following legal and regulatory procedures. The petitioners say that in March 2015 it came to their attention that Barclays was harboring intentions of closing down its regional office, after which they approached the bank, which allegedly denied any plans to close. They claim that in 2015, Barclays Africa renewed a 6-year lease to keep the regional office in Nairobi open. They accused Barclays Kenya of discrimination in their severance packages in favor of non-Kenyan employees, and that their said terms were in conflict with the collective bargaining agreement of unionizable employees. However, Barclays Kenya says the closure of the office is in line with the merger that formed Barclays Africa Group in 2013, which made regional offices redundant due to duplication of roles. In January, Barclays Africa announced that it would shift all support roles to its South Africa premises. This situation further aggravates the already susceptible position that Barclays Africa is in, with a looming exit of Barclays PLC. Terry Chabet, Citizen, Live at 9.